In less than 1 minute, I'll show you one of the basic YouTube settings you need to turn off to increase the number of your subscribers. Open YouTube app in your device, click your profile icon, and go to your channel. Click edit channel, and turn off the keep all my subscriptions private switch. When your subscriptions are set to public, other users can see what channels you subscribe to. Your subscriptions are listed on your channel homepage. Your account is listed in the subscribers list for any channel you subscribe to. And there's a big possibility that they will visit your channel and subscribing back, and probably recommend your channel to anyone interested in your niche. So what are you waiting for? Try it now, and see the progress from time to time. Good luck, and please don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below for any suggestions. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. God bless us all.